Show you guys, remove all the seats so I can clean this thing up. Car's coming back pretty decent. I'll pop them back in. Alright, I'm gonna put the back seat in. I'm gonna wait until I get some cleaner to clean this off. I'm gonna clean this up. So I'm gonna clean that first. Well, I'm gonna put this part of the seat in, and then I'm gonna clean that up, clean these up. I've popped the back seats in, but I'm cleaning right now. I'm using this. So I finished doing a little bit more cleaning, and then I'll put the front seats in and be done with this part of it. Now, when I get the car running and going and give it a car wash, I'll clean it. Of course, I'll do a nice little cleaning on it. And so kind of clean. I gotta clean this door panel. I gotta get this stain out. Just cleaning things up as I get prepped to take a first drive soon. All right, done with the interior, done with the seats, done with. Just gotta put the cap on the steering wheel and get the interior detailed out. But yeah, I'll get all this detail when I get the car on the road and running good, which should be soon. We'll get this thing detailed out really good and cleaned all up, shined all up. Back seats, get all that fixed. Put everything back clean. So, interior done, getting close, getting close. Getting close. I also want to show, got the horn working. Y'all good on that too.